Hello world, welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to learn how to wash periwinkle. So it's like a water snail and it's mostly consumed by those from Cross River and the Akwa Ibom, and yes. So to wash it, you're going to add salt, add water, and then start to wash just like you're seeing it in the video. I'm not going to talk much. This is just watch and repeat the process for yourself. So yeah, the video is going to contain how to wash it and how to cut it before you start using it to cook. So keep watching and I'll see you in my next video. So this second part of the video is about cutting the periwinkle before you use it to cook, so that you can get the contents when you're eating, right? So I will show you how it looks like very soon. Let's just cut this one and then I'll show you. So you're going to cut at the middle part, not too close to the bottom of the periwinkle. Just make it look like this and then you will enjoy your periwinkle. So I'll explain more with the one I haven't cut and then show you where you should cut it from. So the next periwinkle is a fresh one. If you see how long it is, if you cut it where my hand is now, you can't get the content, so you have to cut at the middle there. So that's about it. Very simple, very easy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. And if you're new, kindly subscribe, share this video, like, comment. I'll answer your questions. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back.